I'm ballin' too, my nigga. When the song come on, I'm spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money. Play something I can spend some money too, money too, money too, money too, money too, money too. When the song come on, I'm spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money, spending money. Play something I can spend some money too, money too, money too.
Just out of here, man.
Please leave your message for 347221.
Her ass got lucky. Gonna find somebody else to prank call.
I know you're not calling me, bro. But I swear you're not calling.
No.
I know you're not letting me call you, bro.
That's why you should have specific ringtones, nigga.
I don't give a fuck about that. Calling me, bro.
Cause that's what happens when you got fucking stalkers and shit.
That's why you should have specific ringtones. Fuck up. You got time for that shit?
I do. I wanna know who the fuck calling me.
I know
If
calling
your
me.
number ain't in my phone, that's the ringtone they play. When your number is in my phone, I know who you are.
Well, if you got some patience, 2
Fuck.
seconds worth, you can look at and read.
Nah, fuck that.
Can't read?
That's why phones say ringtone for certain people. Certain people.
Then, you know, you got that girl you care about so much, then some soft shit come on and you in the hood and you like...
Yeah, and they're gonna be like, who there on the phone? Bing! Her picture pops up.
Pray God you can go. I'll stand outside.
Yeah. Now you got some soft shit. Why? Bro, that was soft as fuck. Nigga call you. I've been thinking about you. Oh, nah, nah, nah.
But mostly females call me though. I don't talk to dudes like that.
Well, I would like my ringtone to be changed. How about that?
Okay.
Just my ringtone.
So you just gonna go in on
Like everybody else.
now I gotta go to my phone and change the ringtone
Yeah,
and shit.
right.
Now I gotta go think of some shit. Oh, what song fits this person?
You damn right. You are damn right.
I know it's gonna be your motherfucking song. 5 minutes from suicide. I went to the part. It's gonna come on that part.
I've been thinking about you. Oh, nah, nah. That's nice and all, bro. But, yeah. I don't want that song.
Fucked up.
I don't want that song.
What's that? Yeah. Alright.
I don't want that damn song.
Touche, my nigga. Touche.
I don't want that motherfucker.
It's not your song. I don't talk to you.
What a motherfucking song.
I text.
What is your texting song? We will find out.
No, bro. Don't do it. Bro, I don't text dudes, bro. I text females. Songs for females anyway. You wanna text me some bullshit, bro? I go mute it. Can't hear it. They can't hear it.
Yes, you can. You'd be surprised.
It's about a stripper.
Y'all could be the judge of that shit. First you heard the ringtone. I've been thinking about you. Oh, nah, nah.
You the one that got the love and basketball ringtone for your girl.
You damn right. Keyword, girl. Now when
Okay,
other people call
girl.
me, now when other people call me, we'll play.
Bruh, it's all girls except for probably when you call or My boy Shayon called. That's it.
Well, change my shit. I don't give a fuck about shit.
That's like 98% out of 100
I don't care
of
about
females.
Mine, I should have mine changed.
Alright. Not right now. It's not important.
It's gonna get changed.
But
It's gonna get changed.
my time for a haircut. See it coming. I'm talking about me.
People on Facebook nowadays, I think I really hurt someone's heart. Who gives a fuck? Stop writing about your
People on Facebook talk about random ass shit. I don't care about walking down the street. Why would you write that?
I'm about to go hop in the shower. Nobody give a shit.
You supposed to do that.
Supposed to wash your ass. I mean, you put a hop in the shower. I'm not gonna wash my ass today. Maybe tomorrow. The fuck?
Nothing to announce.